In this video, we are going to discuss sample answer and follow-up questions for cue card topic describe an art or craft activity that you had at school. So let's discuss the cue card sample answer first. In this answer, you should talk about what you made, how did you make it, what did it look like, and explain how did you feel about the activity. Arts and crafts are a great medium to stay connected to our cultures and traditions. They include a wide variety of activities ranging from performing arts like dancing and singing to handicrafts and painting. So, in a culturally unique and advanced country like India, which has one of the richest cultural histories in the world, arts and crafts constitute an important portion of the school syllabus. Same was the case with my school, where I had an arts and crafts class every alternate day. So I vividly remember that during one of these classes, we were introduced to the art of calligraphy. It was just a brief introduction to calligraphy, which I found very fascinating, being an art lover. So my parents got me enrolled in the course where I made some amazing scrolls with writing on them in different font styles. There were notes for my parents, teachers, siblings, and friends, all in varied fonts in different color inks. For the course, my grandfather even gifted me a set of calligraphy material, which included a pen, different nibs, bottles of different colored inks, and an ink filler. I used the ink filler to fill in the pen with the ink and created some of my best artwork. I made cards, notes, and projects using the calligraphy pen and topped the course that year. My artworks looked very interesting and well loved by all my teachers and my school principal. I gifted some of the red colored cards to my parents. Also, I gifted a yellow one to my grandfather as he's my best friend. They were all mighty impressed on looking at my beautiful handwriting as opposed to the usual scribbling that I used to do. As my tutor was very friendly and encouraging, she motivated me to do even better and made me practice with dots, straight lines, and curves, improving my writing even more. It made me aware of the importance of writing as an art, and I developed a keen interest in it. Moreover, the activity instilled even more passion in me for arts, and I finally decided to pursue a career in it. Next, we'll discuss some follow-up questions for this cue card that the examiner can ask you during the third part of your IELTS speaking test. What kinds of traditional handicrafts are there in your country? Well, a country like India is the melting pot of different types of arts and crafts. For instance, there is pulkari in Punjab, blue pottery in Jaipur, puppets in Rajasthan, carpets in Kashmir, terracotta pottery in southern India. Actually, the list is endless. Should children learn more about art? Definitely. Being a big art lover myself, I can say that children can be taught some very important life virtues by using art as a medium. Plus, it is a big break from the monotonous academic syllabus that the children are taught these days. What are the benefits of making handicrafts? Making handicrafts really tests our patience and creativity, so they naturally make us more creative and patient. Moreover, indulging in making handicrafts can be a great stress buster and make our minds more peaceful and calm. Why do some people think it is difficult to understand art? I think because art is a very subjective topic. For some people, it is a great medium to relax and calm themselves down. For some, it is a medium to express themselves emotionally. However, some people who don't understand its true importance consider it a waste and don't give much credit to arts for enriching our lives. What can we do to make young people pay more attention to traditional art? Well, art festivals are a hotspot to introduce millennials to different types of traditional art. The teachers can also play a vital role in incorporating traditional art in the syllabus. However, I think the role of parents and family is most important here, as they can celebrate all the traditional festivals and events in the way they are meant to encourage their children to learn more about them and the art related to them. Do you think it's important to cultivate an appreciation for art in children? Of course, it is very important to develop an interest in art from a young age, as children learn different things through art in a fun way. It develops their imaginative skills and creativity. Do you think art should be included in school curriculums? And why? Oh, definitely. Art should be incorporated in school curriculum. Even the toughest and most boring topic can be taught to students in an interesting way with the use of art. It helps children have fun and makes them forget about the stress of academics for the time being. Have you attended any lessons about art? Yes, as I said before, we used to have art and craft classes every alternate day at my school. I also had enrolled myself for dance classes for about 5 years when I was young. What have you learned from these lessons? Well, as I mentioned before, I learned calligraphy from my art classes and Kathak dance form from my dance classes. Apart from these, I also learned to make excellent art and crafts work using different types of painting techniques. For instance, canvas, acrylic, watercolors, oil pastels, etc. What do young people think of traditional handicrafts? Oh, young people these days really appreciate different kinds of traditional handicrafts. Nowadays, there is a newfound interest and enthusiasm that the young people have developed for our traditional crafts. Do people in your country send handicrafts as gifts? Yes. People in India still love to give handmade gifts to their dear ones. This shows that a person actually cares about the other person and helps to forge relationships on a personal level. That's the end of speaking part 3. You can also read this cue card and more IELTS related content on our website named brpaper.com/IELTS. The link to our website is given in the description. Please give your honest reviews in the comments section regarding this video to make our channel more fruitful for you. Also, if you like this video, then please like, comment and share. Do subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications regarding our latest videos.